What's good, J Squad? And I am back with another video. So today I'm gonna be coming out with an exclusive video. I'm gonna be unboxing my new sneakers that I got from the mall. I shop at Livingston Mall, so the sneakers that I got, because you know spring coming up soon. You know I'm sick of all that cold weather. It's cold. It's cold as hell outside. Like when I mean cold, like I mean it's cold like Alaska. It's like 12 degrees outside. You know, I like the hot better than the cold weather. You know, because you don't got to be going to the extremes of wearing a lot of clothes because it's cold. You know, you can just wear like a jacket or something because, you know, it's going to be hot, but it's going to be a little cool outside. So you just need a jacket. So I agree to like the hot weather better than the cold weather. But before we get into it, like I always tell y'all, like this video, comment down below what y'all think of, subscribe, and also share this video. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, so these are my sneakers, my new sneakers that I got, because, you know, I don't really buy sneakers that often. So I decided to get some, and these were on sale, like 40% off. And I got this from the mall, from the store I go to. I think it's Famous Footwear. And I haven't wore AIRWALKs in a minute, like since I was like in the 3rd grade. Now, this year I got some new ones. And this is the size I wear, a size 9. Alright, now we're gonna open it. And there you go. These are my new sneakers. These look like Converses and Vans. And as you can see the logo, these are my new sneakers. Put this out the way. And you can smell the sneaker, let me see. Smell good. Well, I ain't really smell it all the way, I just like a little sniff. Yeah, these are my sneakers. I can't wait to wear them. I ain't wearing them now because, you know, it's still snow on the ground. And these were the last pair, so now I got them. And these are like the ones I wanted. So these are the sneakers that I unboxed today. Well, this concludes the video for today, so thanks for watching. I might come out with another video. I might make a video on my sneaker collection, so stay tuned for that. And remember to subscribe to the channel. Also like, comment down below what y'all think of. Share this video, and let's stay connected. Follow me on my social medias. I'm active on Instagram, Snap, Twitter, Tumblr, and Facebook. And stay tuned for more videos. And remember to play yourself, be yourself, take care.